Garrett just, I don't know, it never felt like that, so we will see. There we go. I give some sound clips and just daily driving. It's fun to go around, like the power is there, we're 22 pounds boost, and it's just fun. Like the boost is there and it stays there too. The Garrett Turbo just felt like I had a rough time keeping up with it. I don't know. It feels good now. But yeah, the install was, I'd say, a 8 out of 10 of difficulty. It was time consuming is the biggest thing. It's really time consuming because of the bolts on the back of the turbo. You spin them just a hair and you'll sit there for a half an hour taking off one bolt, and it's terrible. But after the bolt got off, the back two got off, the front two were really easy. I knew they were going to be easy, so I saved them for the last. Take off the oil feed drain, take off the coolant feed and drain, and turbo is out. It sounds like it's an easy job, but I never did it before, and I didn't see any videos on YouTube. That's why I kind of made a little bit of a tutorial how to do it. The video didn't really come out as good as I wanted it to. It looks really shaky and not clear. So I'll give you a little sound clip of outside the car, the turbo, as it's spooling up, it makes a nice whistle, and even when it's I don't even know, like not spooling too much anymore, that whistle just winds down really nicely. It sounds really good, and I gotta get an outside clip for that. But overall, the turbo is doing fine. I did have a little bit of a problem on the oil drain where it was leaking a little bit, but I had to tighten up the drain bolts a little bit harder, or a little bit tighter, and just keep it at that. But yeah, I drove it to, the first time I drove it to work, it was about 10-mile drive just to give it a shakedown. So I did 10 miles to work, 10 miles back, just to give just a quick shakedown. And then I drove to college, which was about 25 miles. So that was like every little bump and noise, I was like, what the hell is that? I'm gonna be breaking down on the side of the highway. But I babied it all the way there, babied it back. Had a few heat cycles before doing that, so I would turn the car on, let it warm up, give it a few revs, and then turn it off. Then wait till it's all the way cold, turn it back on, do that a few times. And I mean, I like it. Like it's so fun. The boost is there when you want it, and yeah, it's I like it. I'm really happy with the car. Before, I really wasn't it. Like I'm starting to feel like, all right, it's finally there. One thing I do want to do in the future is get it tuned. I know I keep saying that, but yeah, a tune would definitely help the motor and help the car just lift up, because like I feel like it's just an everyday just commuter 4-door sedan, but this car could be a really fun 4-door sedan. But yeah, other than that, so we got a new turbo. I did not put the catless downpipe on. I put the catted downpipe on, just because no real